So yeah, birthday weekend is going up. Guys, do you see outside? Yo, outside is crazy.
Oh, I'm not even
Beach
listening.
day.
Hold on.
Purr, look at all this melanin, guys. Yum. Come with us to the beach. So actually this beach was a really short ride from our Airbnb, which we love. Okay, save our coins. We seen this really nice guy selling Italian ice, so we was like, absolutely sign us up. It was so hot. Look at the views. Loving it. Stay right there, bitch. Raven. So after the beach, we decided to go on a catamaran sail. This one particularly was called Salty Dog. Definitely check them out. They included a snorkeling, some refreshments, a stop at the beach. Definitely worth it.
Melanin.
So we found a really cool night LED kayaking excursion that we wanted to do. Super cool, definitely recommend.
Alright my friends, how was that? Purpose. So that purpose is to prevent erosion. So individually all those roots compress the soil together and they prevent it from moving, which we're in a little tiny island surrounded by water, so this is really important to us. And on top of that, you guys, so my friends are a little bit closer, you can kind of see like a wire fence that is moved up a little bit more towards the middle. So
Kiki, come here. Hi gang. Wow, this is great. Oh, that looks awesome.
Y'all done hit my kayak.
Hi.
Hey girl.
Guys, come over here so I can get you on video.
Wait, do we have to keep on the mask? We're in the water.
I'm not keeping on shit.
hey, un poquito es better than nada.
True. Verdad. Es verdad.
That's what I hear when people make fun of accents. I'm like, that person probably speaks like 2 languages at least.
Yeah.
Like, balance. And you guys can start seeing some little tiny fishies. They look like they're playing pinball on the surface of the water.
Now, ciao. If you're ever looking for a really good brunch spot out in Puerto Rico, you definitely have to check out Eter Rooftop and Lounge. Definitely recommend. They don't miss. I'm gonna show you a couple of dishes that we've gotten. Oh my goodness, decadent.
So can we get a replacement for?
What would you like? Tell me what would you like?
I got the.
You gotta hit it from an angle when you.
Is that chocolate?
Decadent, guys.
Yeah, baby. You're gonna have to eat that right now.
Decadent.
Everything comes out 11.
Hold on, I'm gonna get. We are currently in San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Oh yeah.
So we ended out our trip just exploring the downtown area of San Juan. Really beautiful and cultural. As always, it's a pleasure for you to journey with me.